Welcome today in front of me Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize volume panels with volume stylus app on this device. So first you should launch the Play Store application, and then in the search bar type the volume stylus. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing in your device. Now just open the app, and here just to activate the application, tap on the right upper corner to start. Here go just to the accessibility services and tap here to downloaded apps and go to the volume stylus application, and just to use the volume stylus app, tap here once on the switcher and here click allow, and now here click yes I agree. And as can you see, here we got a lot of new volume panels, and you can select one from this volume panel. For example, we can try the highest one. And now just here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons, and tap here to the press the volume buttons, and you'll see that the this volume panel is really close to the highest one. Also we can try, for example, the wave one. We'll just go out from the application and we'll try it here. As can you see, we just change our volume panel to the another one. So, and now I'll just go back to the application, and you can select another volume panel, whatever you like. And just to stop this application, tap here to stop, and now as can you see, we got our default volume panel. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.